If you're thinking about buying CyberGhost VPN, there are a few things you should know first. In this video, we'll compare it to its competitors and go over the features that matter most to you. Stick around till the end to see if it's really the best option for your needs. The first thing to note is its large server network. CyberGhost offers over 7,000 servers in more than 90 countries. That's a major advantage when compared to some competitors that may have fewer servers or are limited to specific regions. More servers mean faster speeds and less congestion, especially when streaming or browsing. Next thing is CyberGhost's ease of use. Unlike some VPNs that require a bit of a learning curve, CyberGhost is very beginner-friendly. Its clean interface makes it easy to connect to a server, set preferences, and configure security settings, even for someone who's never used a VPN before. The third thing to consider is its streaming capability. CyberGhost works well with services like Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and more. But while it's good for accessing content in different regions, there are times when other VPNs may have a slight edge when it comes to unblocking certain geo-restricted content. Now let's talk about privacy and security. CyberGhost uses 256-bit AES encryption, which is military-grade security, and they have a strict no-logs policy. However, it's important to point out that CyberGhost is based in Romania, which is outside of the 5914 Eyes Alliance. That's great for privacy, but some competitors, like ExpressVPN, are based in privacy-friendly jurisdictions, like the British Virgin Islands. The fifth thing is speed. CyberGhost provides decent speeds, but it can be a bit slower compared to other premium VPN services, like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, especially when connected to distant servers. However, for everyday use, you're still getting a reliable performance for browsing and streaming. Next thing is its pricing. CyberGhost is usually more affordable than top-tier competitors. With long-term plans, you can save a lot of money, but when paying monthly, its price may be slightly higher than other budget-friendly VPNs. The seventh thing is customer support. CyberGhost offers 24/7 live chat support, and they also have a detailed knowledge base. While their support team is generally responsive, there have been some reports of longer response times during peak hours. This is something other VPNs like NordVPN have slightly improved. Moving on to its kill switch feature. CyberGhost offers a reliable kill switch that prevents data leakage if your VPN connection drops. It's one of the best kill switch implementations you can find, ensuring your internet traffic remains secure at all times. The ninth thing is the connection stability. While CyberGhost provides solid reliability in terms of uptime, there are some instances where you may experience a dropped connection when switching servers. It's a minor inconvenience compared to competitors like PIA or NordVPN that tend to maintain more stable connections. The 10th thing is its device compatibility. CyberGhost supports all major operating systems like Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and even Linux. It also offers browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox, which is something that not all VPNs provide. The 11th thing to know is that CyberGhost allows simultaneous connections on up to 7 devices with one subscription. This is a solid perk for families or individuals who want to cover all their devices at once. However, other VPNs, such as Surfshark, allow unlimited simultaneous connections, which could be a game changer for some. Finally, let's talk about free trials and money-back guarantees. CyberGhost offers a 45-day money-back guarantee, which is great, but if you want a completely free experience, some competitors like ProtonVPN offer a free tier. However, you'll get more features and better overall performance with CyberGhost's paid plans. So, should you buy CyberGhost VPN? It's definitely a good option, especially if you need a user-friendly, affordable VPN with a large server network and solid privacy features. But if you want a better option with more features, faster speeds, and a stronger reputation in the VPN space, check out our recommended solution. You can even try it for free.